What makes Dreams Royal Beach stand out in a sea of Punta Cana resorts? Today, I'll walk you through nearly every corner of this luxurious property, from pools and dining to exclusive preferred club areas, and show you two of the most popular room types, including one just steps from the pool. Let's get into it. Dreams Royal Beach Punta Cana is just 20 minutes from the airport and set on the famous Bávaro Beach. Though I don't have beach footage in this video, rest assured it's beautiful, walkable, and full of loungers and palapas. Right from the lobby, the resort feels open and breezy with modern Caribbean design. To the right, you'll notice there is the standard check-in and check-out desk, and then over to the left is your preferred club area where you can complete your preferred club check-in, and there's also a preferred club bar as well. And just next to this section is the 24-hour Cocoa Cafe that serves coffee, snacks, sandwiches, and desserts. Just outside of the main lobby, you'll hang a right and you can see Sundays, which is an ice cream shop. And then here is That's a Wrap, which serves wraps and salads and beverages right next to the water park. And if you continue going, here is the splash pad for younger children. You can see the smaller slides. And then just beyond that is Dreams Royal Beach's brand new water park that they added not too long ago. If you have stayed at Dreams Flora or viewed one of my Dreams Flora videos, you'll notice that the slides are exactly the same as that resort. And these slides are fun for everybody in the entire family. Now, turning around back toward the main lobby, you'll encounter the open air theater with seating, and this is where your nightly programming and entertainment is located. There will be different options available each night, including live music and different performances. And just next to the theater is the theater bar. As you walk toward the main pool area, you'll notice everything is thoughtfully laid out. Nothing feels too far away, which is a big win for families or anyone who doesn't want to hike across a massive resort. There are multiple pools, plenty of shaded areas, and great separation between quiet relaxation areas and spots with more activity. You'll find family-friendly features as well as areas that adults can get away from it all, giving you flexibility depending on who you're traveling with. Dining options here are impressive. You'll find everything from a buffet and beachfront grill to a la carte restaurants offering Italian, Asian fusion, and steakhouse menus. And all of these restaurants are located right near the beach. Here is Tres Colores. This is your Mexican restaurant option. And one of the things that I love most about Dreams Resorts is that they do not require restaurant reservations. You can show up at your preferred time, and if there is a bit of a wait, they'll give you a pager so you can grab a drink and wait patiently for your table. And here is the Fusion restaurant. This is a Pan-Asian cuisine restaurant, and they do offer a couple of teppanyaki tables, not too many. These teppanyaki tables do require reservations. They are the only thing that does require dining reservations at this resort. However, there is the seated a la carte option as well. And right here, you'll see the outdoor seating that is available for the World Cafe, which is your international buffet open for breakfast, lunch, and dinner to all guests. Here is the walkway to Seaside Grill. This is an a la carte restaurant open for dinner to all guests. However, in the morning for breakfast and then for lunch, this is an a la carte seated restaurant for preferred club guests only. And just next to all of these different restaurants is the main pool. This is located right on the beach, and there is a swim-up bar. And the bars are spread out throughout the property, so you can find one whenever you need one. Now let's take a look at the Deluxe Pool Terrace room. This is one of my favorite room types for couples or families who want easy pool access without upgrading to a swim-up room or preferred club. Inside, the room has a spacious bathroom with a walk-in shower and double vanity, a king or two double beds, a sofa area, and a modern coastal vibe. In a pool terrace room category, you are just steps away from one of the pools on this property, plus you have a furnished balcony, jacuzzi tub, and 2 of your very own sun loungers. This particular room is just in front of what they call the jungle pool. Now let's head over to the brand new preferred club section, and in order to do that we need to go all the way back to the main lobby, and we need to take a few minutes walk along this brand new boardwalk. Now from the main lobby to this brand new preferred club section along this boardwalk, it's maybe about a 5-minute walk and then about a 10-minute walk from here to the beach. Now on this boardwalk you will see all kinds of wildlife, so if you have kiddos that love birds and turtles and things like that, then this is definitely a must-see. Also, those paddle boats that you saw, you are able to use. This part of the resort feels almost like a boutique hotel within a resort, with its own private lobby, exclusive bar and restaurant, and dedicated pool areas that's much quieter and more upscale. Preferred Club guests also enjoy upgraded room locations and enhanced minibar and room service. Not all of the Preferred Club rooms are in this section. However, if you are looking for more privacy, better service, and a quieter experience, Preferred Club in the brand new section is absolutely worth considering. You may be wondering how you can tell which rooms are located where, and essentially anything with the word Deluxe is going to be in the older original section of the resort. Now here is where you will find Market Cafe, which is the Preferred Club only buffet that is open for breakfast for Preferred Club guests only, and then in the evening it turns into Portofino, which is your Italian restaurant. Just outside of these doors you may have noticed there is actually a pizza shop, and then there is a 24-hour ice cream and coffee shop located here as well, so it really is like a resort within a resort. And here is the lobby for this brand new Preferred Club section with its own bar, check-in desks and concierge, and plenty of seating for relaxation. Here is the entrance where you can also wait and grab a shuttle back to the main lobby. Let's end with a look at the Preferred Club Premium Tropical View room. While this category doesn't come with a swim up or ocean view, it's in a fantastic location near the Preferred Club amenities. I do consider this a pool view, however, it isn't labeled as such. You'll notice upgraded furnishings, a welcome bottle of sparkling wine, a comfortable seating area. This is what I would consider a 1-bedroom suite with a guaranteed sofa bed, and of course you'll have a balcony overlooking lush gardens and the pool and tropical landscaping. It's a great option if you want Preferred Club benefits without paying for a beachfront upgrade. One of the best things about this room is that not only do you have the privacy of a 1-bedroom, but you also have 2 full bathrooms, which is key if you're traveling with other kids. Whether you're planning a romantic getaway, a family vacation, or even a multi-gen group trip, Dreams Royal Beach delivers that perfect mix of comfort, convenience, and Caribbean charm. If you're considering this resort and want personalized help planning, I'd love to be your travel advisor. I work with families and couples to find the perfect fit and take all the stress out of planning. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below if you have questions. I personally reply to each one. See you in the next one.